memes that I had permanently borrowed. Subscribe. I had to feed my goldfish.
Our fault you wore high heels on a hiking trip? At least I try to look feminine.
I think there's someone hanging right there. Is this really you?
I beat my meat into a cup.
What are you waiting for? Go save the galaxy already.
Can you show me the squishy dance?
So, you couldn't keep your goofy little fucking mouth shut, couldn't you?
Miau miau